Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to a groundbreaking experiment that illuminates the enigmatic origins of consciousness, challenging two leading theories: Integrated Information Theory, IIT, and Global Neuronal Workspace Theory, GNWT. Published on April 30th, 2025 in Nature, this 7-year study involving 256 participants reveals critical insights into how consciousness arises, suggesting it is more tied to sensory processing than previously thought. The findings question the role of the prefrontal cortex and highlight functional connections between visual and frontal brain regions, offering potential implications for understanding disorders like comas. This collaborative effort, rooted in open science, underscores the power of adversarial collaboration to advance our grasp of the mind-body problem. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. A monumental study, 7 years in the crafting, unveils fresh perspectives on consciousness's roots. It dares to challenge two titans of thought: Integrated Information Theory, IIT, and Global Neuronal Workspace Theory, GNWT. Published on April 30th, 2025 in Nature. These revelations mark a turning point in unraveling the mystery of what it means to be aware. What sparks the flame of consciousness? IIT posits that it ignites when a system like the brain weaves its information into a tightly knit tapestry, unified and whole, for as long as perception endures. GNWT, in contrast, likens consciousness to a theater's spotlight, illuminating key information and broadcasting it across a network of brain regions the moment awareness dawns. In 2019, a grand experiment with 256 participants put these ideas to the test, probing their minds with tools tracking blood flow, magnetic fields, and electrical pulses. The findings weave a new narrative. Connections, vibrant and alive, link neurons in the brain's visual realms, nestled at the back where sights are born, with frontal regions, tying what we see to what we think. Consciousness, it seems, dances more with sensory processing and perception than with the prefrontal cortex's calculated steps. Intelligence plots and plans. Consciousness simply is. Yet the results cast shadows on both theories. IIT dreams of enduring connections in the brain's posterior, a chorus of parts singing in unison to birth awareness. Alas, the study finds these links fleeting, not sustained. GNWT champions a frontal stage for consciousness's drama, but the evidence here falters, lacking the expected fanfare. No single experiment could topple either theory, declares Anil, Seth, PhD, a sage of cognitive neuroscience at the University of Sussex. The theory's foundations differ too vastly, their goals too distinct, and our tools too blunt to crown a victor. Still, how rich the harvest. The study gleans deep truths about visual experience, where and when it blooms in the brain. This discovery ripples outward. Could it guide us to detect covert consciousness in those locked in comas or vegetative states? A 2024 report in the New England Journal of Medicine notes this hidden awareness in 1/4 of such cases. Understanding consciousness's cradle may unlock new paths to reach these silent minds. The experiment's scale is unprecedented. 256 souls, their brains mapped as they gazed at visual stimuli. 3 tools, measuring blood's ebb and flow, magnetic whispers, and electric sparks, charted the mind's terrain. Born from a 2018 workshop at the Allen Institute, this endeavor thrives on open science, blending rival perspectives in a crucible of collaboration to temper bias and hasten truth. Adversarial collaboration mirrors the Allen Institute's ethos, team science, open inquiry, and grand challenges, says Christof, Koch, PhD, a luminary at the Institute. To crack the mind-body problem, this enigma that haunts humanity, is my life's fervor. Such collaborations, though rare and arduous, could transform biomedicine, pitting theories in friendly rivalry. Cooperation, not conquest, fuels progress. Koch muses further. Adversarial collaborations are a mighty forge for science, seldom wielded due to their demands. The biomedical realm stands to gain from such contests, neurobiological or beyond. Yet, they demand sweat and synergy, a union of minds to chase the ineffable. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.